to trade for this week. So this week I'm gonna thinking about there are a lot of trading opportunities because the price begin to move from last 2 weeks. It began to make some new trend, some new movement. So let me break it down for you. So for this week on the gold. Okay, so from this week we can see that it's making a new all-time high. Okay, it's making a new all-time high. So you see there's no resistance, there's no high previously, but on the lower time frame we can see that the price has many consecutive bullish candles, so I'm expecting a retracement over here. So that's why I'm looking for a short position. So right now I also enter the shorting position for gold because first of all, when they make a new all-time high, like I said, it is a retracement. So I identify this zone because as a resistance or the demand zone, because I can see that on the lower time frame the price they are dumping the lows. They are dumping the lows. So you can see this is where the price began to dump. Okay, so it dumped bullish, bearish, a lot of sellers over here. So I identify this zone as a resistance zone or a demand zone, whatever you like to call it. So on the 1st of April we can see that the price retesting the zone, nearly retesting, reaching the zone, and then it dropped. So on today, which is the 2nd of April, I also re-enter again because I think the price will continue the retracement momentum, which is a bearish trend. Okay. For the next pair, I want to I'm looking for is about the J's, the yin. If you watching my previous video, I already break it down that the yin is in a reversal pattern, a huge bearish movement, say a downtrend. So we will continue to looking for a shorting position for the yins. For myself, I still holding my shorting position of the yin, the euro and the yen, because the price it fits my strategy. The price move very confidently in my experience, so that's why I only trade the euro and the yen, and the Australia and the pound does not. The pattern, the price movement is very different. I'm not comfortable with that, so that's why I don't trade the Australian and the pound. So that's it. So hope you guys have a good trading week. If you find this my breakdown, my analysis useful, please be sure to check out the others videos. Okay, and remember to subscribe.